He'll get it. I'll get it.
Just leave the chair.
Kingpin, I never went this way.
Jeez.
I rolled that way. He's just trying to pick it up.
Hey, he picked that up. I look. Some other camera I zoom in on real good.
Here, Kingpin.
You can zoom in on that.
I don't think you can.
Your right and left buttons.
I don't think you can. Jesus Christ, dog. You got your wrestling.
That's why you get your money.
I wasn't taking no bowling alley.
I'm going to see if I can still
I wasn't taking no bowling alley.
Does my fingers sit in it? Watch my fingers go in it and get stuck.
So wet.
Damn, that's fucking wide fingers. Move.
It's him. It's him. Now.
Oh! It's going right in my face.
He cut his nuts.
Sure hell does.
Man, Kingpin.
Fuck it, I'm moving.
I wasn't taking bowling. He's good enough.
Did you see him in the bowling alley with all them balls going down through?
What the hell he get?
He wouldn't know which way to grab there.
He got to the pin. It's only a 2-minute video.
Calm down. There it goes again. He goes nuts. What are you doing? Are you putting it on YouTube, Dad?
Probably.
Yeah, try to figure it out, yeah. Yeah? Yeah, it's on
Facebook.
Yeah.
Kingpin.
Oh, I can do it. Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. Somebody look at my camera. I know I do it. I know I do it. It's like Vern did. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I know where I gotta go. Damn, Jimmy.
You almost turned it on him.
Boy.
I know, he won't move.
Going for dogs.
See, man, my hand all dirty now. I use it after he's done. He goes painting.
For the workout.
He got a workout.
They got some new furniture over there.
Oh, really? Next door?
Yep.
Should be a little closer.
Aaron,
In front of the desk.
What's up, guys?
If I want desk to desk, I can burn to a desk. Like that kicking to you. You could truck this down and help me.
get you. Boing, right in the ass. Boing.
And after I take it from him, he'll go nuts trying to find it.
Yep.
Tim? Yeah.
He got another ball up at the house, up at Dad's house. Are you getting him, Dad?
Yeah. 4-minute video. Okay, that'd be it.